Hello, I'm Ethan Burks. Indiana saw a reduction in daily traffic volume during the stay-at-home period, up to as much as 57%. State officials say it helped adjust construction schedules on I-70 in Indianapolis.
It has reduced this project timeline by 3 months and saved Hoosiers millions of dollars just on this one project.
The number of motorists on Hoosier roadways fell the most on weekends during the stay-at-home order. The state police reported 22,000 fewer accidents so far in 2020 compared to the same time in 2019. New data from the CDC shows that racial and ethnic minority groups are disproportionately affected by the COVID-19 virus.
When we think about vulnerable communities, there's quite an overlap between who's vulnerable in a health care or health sense, as well as who's vulnerable in an economic job market sense.
Simon says it's not surprising to see vulnerable populations more affected during the pandemic, given the rising unemployment rates in industries that rely on face-to-face contact. And early voting begins today in Indiana and goes until June 1st. So far, 200 ballots have been cast in Monroe County. The primary election day is scheduled for June 2nd. Precincts have also been consolidated to 7 locations in response to COVID-19, as residents were encouraged to vote by mail this year. Election officials say the county sent out just under 23,000 ballots and have gotten back 7,500 in-person voters who are encouraged to wear masks at polling places. And for weather tonight, we're looking at a low of 67 degrees with 40% chance of rain. For tomorrow, there's a 50% chance of thunderstorms as we see temperatures climb into the low 80s before it is sunny when the weekend begins. For more news, you can go to WTIUnews.org.